morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting subject called hedging. So this will be more benefit for the jewelers, those who are having a very good inventories in their showroom, and they are confused with the rate fluctuations for the past 1 year. This type of move happened almost 10 to 12 years back. The rally was around $1,200 during 2008 January to 2011 September. So out of the $1,200 from $680, the rate went up to $1,920 in a matter of 4 years. Then almost it corrected from $1,920 to $1,045 in a matter of 2-3 years. So now again the rally had started right from $1,260 to $2,070. Almost $850 rally was already done. So now we expect some more corrections, or either the prices will move upside due to geopolitical tension, COVID impact, and trade war between US and China. So a lot of factors are there. But we jewelers are feeling very much confused for our day-to-day purchase, either to buy in this rate or not, either to wait for a long time. So a lot of confusions are there. My view is we should hedge our positions so that we will be at least save from the losses what it will happen without doing any positioning. In my view, wherever the rate goes, it will correct to a certain extent. For example, last 6 months back, currency was trading around 77. Now it came strengthened up to 72.80. So a lot of things are changing over. That too in India, gold prices are calculated with COMEX dollar and per ounce dollar into Indian currency INR. So whenever the rupee strengthens, gold prices will come down in India in rupee term, and if COMEX rate, if it goes upside, here the prices will go upside. So people are confused which way to analyze and where to go. So now we have to come to a comfort zone whether to hedge the positions or not. So it is not an easy task to hedge our positions. First of all, we should know the trend. Whenever we feel the rates are going to fall, we should hedge our positions. So whenever the rates are going upside, there is no need of any hedging. So let the inventory value move. For example, I show the chart. This chart actually in 2008, the dollar rate was 680. From there, it went up to a high of $1,920. So again it was correcting and it came to a low of $1,045. Now after some consolidation, again the prices went up to $2,075 in August month. Now almost 1 month has gone, the prices are not nearby the high or anyway. So my view is we want to know whether to hedge our positions or not. When the prices are moving, some confusions are there throughout the world. Gold is the best safe haven to hedge. So everyone buy gold. Okay. In that way, the prices may shoot up another $100, $200. That's another question mark. Once this COVID pandemic is over, other things will reverse and things will change. So the markets, share market or other businesses, everything will grow and the demand for gold will come down naturally. So we want to know how it is going and how much it will consolidate and when it will come down. So we have to do a lot of analysis in that. Before that, whenever we feel the prices are too high and we expect a correction, we should hedge our positions either in through the form of metal loans or in MCX. So that is the best way to do some hedging. Trading is always dangerous, whereas hedging is prosperous. Why I am telling is, if you do hedging, we can forget about the rate fluctuation, we can concentrate more on the business. So our motive is to grow the business growth only. So hedging will, to a certain extent, will control our emotions, and we can keep concentrating in our business. So in my view, hedging is not such an easy thing. First of all, we should know the trend, whether the markets go up or down, gold rates will go up or down. According to that, we have to hedge our positions. And whenever there is a correction of 10-20%, we can actually buy gold. I mean, we can come out of the hedging. So this is the way we have to operate in the long term. Other than that, a lot of things are advantages there. Suppose if you hedge in MCX, you will get a premium for every rollover. So that premium you are getting as a benefit, it will be around 3 to 4% per annum, roughly. So that is a benefit you can get. Or else, if you go in metal loan, gold metal loan in banks, your interest rate will be only 3% per annum. Whereas CC, cash credit loan, is around 9 to 10%. So in that way also you can save money. So why we want to hedge and what are the benefits? There are many things to be identified and many things to be noted. So my views, I am giving consulting, hedging consulting for many people for past 15 years. So we can try to utilize the opportunity. And one more thing is, markets with loan go in the same manner, up for a long time and down for a long time. It keeps on fluctuating. So each and every fluctuation we should try to utilize and make use of the move, price action. And to be very comfort, hedging will give more and more confidence for our future business. It is a risk management act actually. So anywhere our inventory value should be managed. Okay, for further details, you can contact me for knowing some doubts about hedging and what can be done in the near term. Thank you.